This pair of gardens that I have behind me are from a company called Ahopegarden. They're 20-watt units. They have 8 pod sites, and I measured each of these units to come out a little bit above 20 watts, which is advertised, so that checks out. It has a small pump in each one and jets out from a small adapter that goes off to one side, and so there's a minimal disturbance in the water as it churns those nutrients and helps to aerate the water that's inside the unit. And the gardens do take an AeroGarden type plug if you would choose to use that. Now, what I'm doing is I'm looking to see how well these do with lettuce. I've planted Bib lettuce, about a 43-day variety in each one, and set the two gardens up, and by accident set the darker one to a warm vegetative light, and the lighter one to a cool growth light. So a little bit cooler on the spectrum, a little bit warmer, and the only other difference was that on the water level indicators on the front, this unit was just slightly above the 3-liter max, and the dark unit was just a little below the 3-liter max in terms of the water levels. While this is observational and not definitive, I noticed that on the darker unit that I have 3 seeds that are sprouting up right now. The 2 on the side here, and I'm starting to get a little activity on the back center. So in comparison, the white colored unit has 100% germination across the pods that were planted. On each unit, I did use 6 of the 8. I left these 2 empty and just did 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here, just to help give the lettuce a little bit of room to develop full-size heads. So I was curious, as to whether or not it was the water level being slightly higher on the sponges that helped these to do better, or if it was actually the vegetative light, that was helping those do better. So I decided to measure the light quality, and what I found was that I had the light, this can go way down to right above the seed pods. I had it set about 4 inches above the seed deck, and did not have a chance to measure the light par values until today. And actually, I found out that it was way too strong, for the seedlings. This unit, right about in the middle here, had a par value of 528, which fell off to about 324 on the sides. And so I raised the hood, keeping the light meter underneath, and now I have the center part around 303 par, and the outer edges about 207 par, which is more in line with lettuce. And I did the same thing with the darker unit. And so now with the lettuce that has come up, I may take some of these pods that have not germinated and maybe kind of equalize things a little bit, maybe balance out the number of plants per garden. And now with the lights adjusted, take a look to see how well this warmer spectrum setting does with the lettuce heads versus over here with the cool, in terms how it does. But This is the first part of the test, and I will try to update this experiment, and I appreciate everybody having fun with me as we go along through these projects together. Be sure to click subscribe and make sure that you get the bell notifications and things so you can tell when I get the next video out. And thanks for watching.